We are back Ogerpon hunting today with a brand new set, Twilight Masquerade or Masker Change. Different people are calling it different things, but I can't speak Japanese, so I don't know how to translate this. But regardless, we are back and we're going to be opening 10 booster packs today in search for those full arts, those secret rares, those EXs, anything which can just make us a buck today. So straight in, let's see what we have. Can we get a holo in this first pack? No holo in that pack, so we'll go on to the second one. These packs are a bit to open. So, on to pack number 2. Oh, I can see something. Let's see what we have.
Damn,
we have
son,
a
where'd you find
EX.
this?
We've got, I don't know which Ogerpon this one is, but this is one of the Masker Change cards right here. Second pack magic, and we've already pulled one of the main cards of the set, so we'll be sleeving that one up straight away. So I think there's about 4 different variants you get of this card. This one's obviously the water version itself, and we'll put that to the side. Onto pack number 3. Can we keep this pack magic rolling? We've got... Oh, I can... No. I thought I saw something, but I didn't. Next pack. That was a bit of an awkward pack opening, wasn't it? So we've got the main man, Apple. We've got a candy floss. And...
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
No way! No way! We've just pulled another variant of the Mask of Change card of, well, Ogerpon. Let me just put these two together. Does someone speak Japanese? I need to know what the difference between these two variants are here. So this one is obviously a secret rare full art, whereas this one is just a standard rare part of the normal set. We are pulling absolute bangers in this video. Could we get the whole Ogerpon set in this one pack opening? On to the next pack. I'm feeling this. Sun is out. Magic card magic is flying. Pack magic is flying. And we have a... Ooh, thought that was going to be another one there. Let's go. Can we get a holo in this pack? Oh, 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 I see something here. I see something. Oh, I think it's a full art. I think it's a full art. Yo!
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
We pulled another full art card in this. Yo, what is going on in this pack opening today? What is that? Pack number 4, and we pulled like 3 full art cards. So here we've got a secret rare full art. We've got the Chansey, Snorlax chilling in the corner. We got the Psyduck. This is one of the better full arts you can pull. The artwork goes absolutely crazy on this one. We'll definitely be sleeving that one up and putting that to the side. And here we go. These are the different Mask of Change Ogerpons you can get. So obviously we pulled the water one twice. Can we pull the other variants in the rest of the packs? Come on. Come on. So we've got the dragon which shoots stuff out of his head. We've got the Volt bird. We got no. Oh, I thought we had another full art there. So what is this? It's just a standard non-holo. On to the next pack. What is everyone doing this weekend? Sun is shining. If you're from the UK, we're having a bit of a heat wave at the moment. What is everyone doing? What are the plans? Are people going out? Are they hiking? How are they enjoying the sun? Are they just in the beer garden this weekend? Come on, what can we get in this pack? If you have been opening this set, let me know how you found it as well. Oh, I can see something. This could be full art number 4 out in this video. We're opening like 10 packs. This could be the 4th full art. Oh, okay, we got too ahead of ourselves there. It's just a normal holo there. So we've got a zombie bear with a chain. I don't know who he's whipping in that forest, but I won't ask no questions. And on to the final pack. Can we finish this off with a banger? This pack It's feeling a bit heavy in my hands. You know when you pick up that pack and it's a bit heavy and you're like, oh, something's gonna go on in this pack. Let's see. So, can we finish this video off with a banger? We didn't. That is the end of this Twilight Masquerade pack opening. We wanted an Ogerpon, we manifested an Ogerpon, and we got 2 Ogerpons. Make sure you subscribe because we'll be opening more packs next week.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?